Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can format your computer to factory reset. Step number one, click on Start and select Settings. In Settings, navigate to the left panel and look for System. In System, go down to Recovery. And on the recovery, you see the recovery options here. Click Reset PC. Here, you will be provided with two options. Option number one is to keep the files. It will remove applications and settings, but will keep your personal files. Option number two will remove everything, including your personal files. So I'm going to select this one, remove everything. Next step, it's how would you like to reinstall Windows, from the cloud or local install. The difference is if you go for the local install, you will need at least 4 gigabytes of data to be used on your hard drive, which most of the computers today, they do have that. So I'm going to select the cloud download. So once you come to this window, it will allow you to set up or select additional settings. Here, the current settings is remove application and files, do not clean the drive, and download and reinstall Windows. However, I just want to clean my hard drive. I'm just going to go and select Change, and I'm going to select Clean Data, like completely from the hard drive. I'm going to go ahead and confirm, and then go to the next step, which is it won't keep anything. It will take a little bit of time for it to review all the settings to proceed to the next step. Then you will come to this final screen, so you can go ahead and proceed. Click on Reset, and that's it. It'll take about 30 minutes to about an hour to reinstall Windows, depending on the speed of your computer, your internet connectivity. When this process completes, you will have a brand new computer sitting in front of you. So I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and have yourself a great day.